Hello friends, welcome to our channel Information with Fun. Today we are going to talk about best IDEs for different programming languages. What is IDE? An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facility to computer programmers for software development. An IDE consists of at least three things: source code editor, build automation tool, and a debugger, which can be accessed through a single graphical user interface. An IDE improves the productivity of software developers thanks to the fast setup and standardization across tools. So we are going to list a number of best IDEs available for different programming languages. Let's talk about our first programming language, that is Java. Java is a general purpose programming language that is class-based, object-oriented. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. Java was released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems. It is used to develop softwares, servers, and mobile applications. Let's talk about our first IDE for Java, that is IntelliJ IDEA. It is developed by JetBrains and is available as Apache 2 licensed Community Edition. The first version of IntelliJ IDEA was released in January 2001, and the latest release was launched on May 28, 2019. You can download the IDE from its official website JetBrains. It is also available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Its Community Edition is completely free, but there is also an option for the paid version. But most of the developers are satisfied with the Community Edition as it is more than sufficient. Let's talk about the second IDE for Java, and that is Eclipse. Eclipse is managed by Eclipse Foundation. It's completely free and open source under Eclipse public license. First release was on November 2001 and the latest stable release was in March 2019. You can download the IDE from eclipse.org and the complete URL is in the description. Apart from Java, it also supports C, C++, PHP, etc. The second language we are going to discuss about is Python. Python is a completely free and open source language first appeared in 1990. It's mostly used for data processing, AI research, and scientific programming. Python is easy to pick up whether you are a first-time programmer or you are experienced with other languages. The first IDE for Python is PyCharm. PyCharm is managed by JetBrains. Its Community Edition is completely free, but there is also an option for paid version. But for most of the developers, Community Edition is more than sufficient. It was first released in February 2010. You can download it from jetbrains.com/pycharm and the complete link is in the description. Second IDE for Python is Jupyter Notebook. It's not exactly an IDE but an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization, and narrative text. Its uses are data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. It was first introduced in 2017 as a spin-off of IPython project. It's licensed under BSD3 closed license, which is an open source license, and its code is available on github.com. You can download Jupyter from jupyter.org. Complete link is in the description. It also supports languages like Julia, R, and others. The third tool is Google Collab. Google Collab is a research tool for machine learning education and research. It's a Jupyter Notebook environment that requires no setup to use. Google Collab allows you to use and share Jupyter Notebook with others without having to download, install, or run anything on your own computer other than a browser. It uses Google Drive to store Jupyter Notebook. It also offers GPU-powered instances which one can request to run heavy applications. Our next programming language is R. R is a free software environment for statistical computing and graphics, which include linear and nonlinear modeling, classical statistical tests, time series analysis, classification, and clustering. It is supported by the R Foundation for Statistical Computing. It was first released in August 1993 and its latest release is in April 2019. It is licensed under GNU GPL version 2 license. Our IDE for language R is RStudio. RStudio is available in two editions, RStudio Desktop and RStudio Server. RStudio Desktop, where the program is run locally as a regular desktop application, whereas an RStudio Server, which allows accessing RStudio using a web browser while it is running on a remote Linux server. First released was in February 2011 and its latest version released is in April 2019. It's licensed under the FARO General Public License version 3. Our next programming language is PHP. Hypertext Preprocessor is a general-purpose programming language originally designed for web development. It was originally created by Rasmus Lerdahl in 1994. It's licensed under PHP license. Its latest release is 7.3.6, which was released on May 29, 2019. Basically, any good text editor can work as IDE for PHP, but there are some good IDEs for PHP. Out of them, PHPStorm stands out. PHPStorm is developed by the same company which built MyCharm and IntelliJ IDEA, and it's based on the IntelliJ IDEA, so you can expect the same level of performance and enriched feature as in IntelliJ IDEA. It supports PHP tools like Composer, etc. View templates like Twig and Blade supported out of the box. Apart from PHP, it supports all the features of WebStorm like live edit of HTML, CSS, and JS files. It follows the same release cycle as IntelliJ IDEA. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from our channel, and we are signing off now.